Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So we are diving into L'Oreal Professional Paris Density Advanced Shampoo. This was recommended me by a salon lady because I'm going through a hair fall and hair thinning. So she suggested me this shampoo. This shampoo promises to strengthen the hair fiber, improve hair density and leave hair feeling thicker and fuller. It's formulated with a blend of ingredients that are supposed to support hair density and promote healthier looking strand. It has gel-like texture and which I love because it feels luxurious and you don't need a tons of product. It ladder up really nicely without being too foamy, and the scent is super fresh, soft and clean. It's like salon like fragrance. I have only washed like twice and I could see like my hair is soft and yes, definitely adds volume. Apart from that, like I have not seen like that much difference in my hair fall, so I would like to continue and give review like more after a month or like 2 months to see the significant result. Overall, it's a great shampoo. Like I'm impressed with the volume it has given in my hair because of hair thinning. So if you're also dealing with thinning hair or you just want like fuller look, definitely I recommend giving this a try. It's a game changer for like hair texture and volume. So do like try this shampoo and comment below like how it goes with you. Also my salon lady like suggested me Aminexil. I don't know how to pronounce it, but she told me to use that product. Aminexil is best for like hair thinning, so I'll be like planning to buy that product also. But currently I just want to stick to the shampoo like for like a month to see how it goes. So yeah, that's it for today now. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel.